Hello, third grade Chargers. Today in math, we're going to discuss what math is and why it is important. First of all, let's start by defining math. What is math? The dictionary defines math as the study of numbers, shapes, and patterns. You may wonder who invented math. Well, unlike a light bulb or a computer, math isn't really an invention. It's really more of a discovery. It developed slowly over thousands of years with the help of thousands of people. Let's look at why math is important. Math makes our lives orderly and prevents chaos. It gives us the power to reason. It helps us to be creative. It helps us to think critically and problem solve. It helps us tell time. It helps us do science experiments. And it helps us create and make machines. It also helps people build and measure things. Can you think of other reasons why math is important? We can always think of reasons why math is so important to us, and we can see math being used every day in our lives. For our activity today, we're going to use math to answer questions about ourselves. I have my Math All About Me sheet that I have already completed for you. The directions say, draw your name in the middle circle, then write 6 facts about yourself involving numbers. Lastly, use at least 6 colors to illustrate at least 6 pictures to go with your facts. So I started with mine. My name is in the middle. My name is Miss Cruz. How many siblings do I have? I have one sister. Her name is Tabitha. And I did 1 plus 0 equals 1. When is your birthday? My birthday is 11/10/1972, which is 11 is the month, 10 is the day, 1972 is the year. So my birthday is November 10th, 1972. How tall are you? I am 5 feet and 2 inches tall. Just call me Shorty because I can't reach the top shelf of the grocery store. How many pets do you have? I have 3 pets. I have 1 dog. Her name is Luna, and you've seen her during our morning meetings. I have 1 fish that is my daughter's that I have to feed because she forgets to feed him. And I have 1 turtle now because my daughter's friend caught a turtle while fishing and gave it to her, and so now we have a turtle. So I guess we have too many pets. So random math fact, I have 3 sunflower bags and 3 calendars. And yes, Miss Cruz is really obsessed with sunflowers, and I'm extremely obsessed with calendars. And what is your favorite number? My favorite number is 10 because it's the day I was born. So next week we'll begin working in our math workbooks, and we'll be using Eureka this year, and I believe you're all going to absolutely love Eureka. So please hang on to your books that I gave you. Just sit them to the side right now, and I will let you know exactly when we will bring them out to use them. I hope you guys had fun doing this activity today in math. Make sure you have your parents email me your sheet or send it through Dojo. And I hope you guys have a wonderful day.